what's up? Josephine, that's the Dragon Lady right there. That's Nimpa right here. Good morning, everyone. Magandang umaga. His name again?
Sisi.
Hey, what's up, Sisi? This is the dog from Man in Black. They are now getting ready. That's right there. Alright. Alright. This is mine. Charan! Ready for what? Monterey birthday. Alright. That's my celebrity daughter right there. Alright. What do you call your mirror, baby? The vanity mirror? Alright. Nag-run na papunta ng Monterey. Yehey. Yeah, ano tawag doon sa palabas? The View? Yes, this is the lady from The View. Ayan. Josephine and Nimpa, right there. All right. Hey! Right there! Nagre-ready na kami. Yeah. Good morning, brother.
What's up, man? Gusto mo yan?
All right.
Whatever you guys eat, put it on your,
Okay.
what do you call
That's
this?
pilot pretty boy,
On
Nimpa.
your,
And we're pupunta na kami ron. Hey!
we said this is your house over here. Look at the street.
Ewan,
Look at the gate, bro.
it's already gated. Hillsboro.
This one is nice.
Yeah. Yung mayayaman sa Pilipinas narito.
Nandito si si Makapagal.
Mga kuwang ko.
Laro you guys.
Nakita namin si Lolo Piping sa Walgreens sa Burlingame.
Yeah.
Yeah. Nakipagkakabay nga ako eh.
That's the security bathroom. They have a security bathroom. It's in the side street, bro.
Turn left onto Sky Farm Drive.
Turn left. Where is the left?
Golf course. Yan ang piloto namin.
This is the left. Over here.
Continue on Sky Farm Drive for 1.5 miles.
Of course nga, ano?
Golf course yan.
Sarili silang go.
Magto 280 ba tayo?
Ano?
Sa taas ito 280.
Baka. That's good. Pwede nga siyang matakot eh.
Oo. Nung may pinipick up kami rito, pag may binili, ginigiba talaga eh, tapos papagbabago.
How about you guys in the back? You guys have a seatbelt?
Turo ko sa iyo yung bahay ng bago mong bata. Rito ranon eh, rito namin.
It's fine.
Eh.
Vincent is
Hindi yan.
Iba yan.
Kulot yun, saka itim yung buhok.
Nauna ka pa tayo.
Hindi, tumanda na siya.
Nakatakbo agad.
Tumanda na siya.
Taas pa.
Ito ang ano, pag nasunog yung sa LA. Kasi puro puno rito eh. Yeah.
In 1,000 feet, turn left onto California 35.
Putol ng puno. Kaliwa. Ito eh, rito si ano eh, yung bata mong Baguio. Renanraan.
Turn left onto California 35.
Oo, yan. Alta de Ciudad. Ciudad.
California 35. 3 quarters of a mile.
Parating na po tayo, mga kababayan.
We need this thing.
Ayan si Josephine. Yung mga bata sa likod. Sinipa. At ang ating piloto. Alright.
A live best on this one.
Mag-uumpisa ng bakasyon 2 araw. Ay, isang araw lang ba?
Driver natin.
Oh.
Alright.
Okay.
Yan ang ating hotel.
At the light, turn.
Santa Cruz, but
Your destination is on the
Yeah.
We're in the embassy. Philippine embassy.
Ang ating
Oh my God, sorry.
hotel. Tuwan-tuwa mga kababayan.
yung ano, tignan yung bit. Okay, buksan mo na. Tignan mo yung right side mo ah.
Baka may isa sa...
Yung right side. Bigla tumalon, di na tinawag.
We're gonna have to check.
Ay, tatanong. Wala. Yan ang... Yung ating lobby. Pretty boy.
We can do it on the one. Yeah, so we can rest on the other one. This is the lock.
Ayun.
Thank you. So you have 3 reservations? 3 reservations? Tatlo?
Oh, yata. Yan ang ating service. Pang-outing. Yan. Kuhay ka. Ayan. Kids, use the bathroom right there.
Lagyan na natin yung gamit sa...
Yan na sila.
Well, magiging ready yung...
Oo, okay.
Nililinis sa apat.
Pretty boy, nagmamadali. Nagugutom na.
Break! These guys dying because it's hot. What?
That's my gang right here. That's Annette, Vincent, and Juliana. Nakarating rin kami sa Paroronan. Ayan. Alright. Bibili muna tayo ng mga kailangan. Plato, kutsara, baso. Mamaya ulit. What? Smart and Final. Yep. The final destination. And mga orchids. Si Vincent. Oh, ha? Is the Eskimo guy. Cups and pepper plate. And spoon and fork. Ito. Ayan. Ito. Spoon and fork and cup. Being individual. Yeah. Ay, mga bala ako.
Do we get the $3 one or do you want the?
Get the good one. Yeah. The good ones.
We don't have is there fridge freeze?
Yeah, we do. But I don't know what time we're gonna go in.
Oh.
It's gonna get melted, man. Yep. Dan the tortillas. Narito tayo sa Smart and Parnell. Sisi. What's Sisi's favorite?
She doesn't eat this no more, huh?
She doesn't eat these. She eats like these.
Yeah, get one. Yeah.
I think it is that one. Score.
Let's go.
We go that way.
Where are we going? Are you gonna get some yogurt or what? Who's on diet? That's a yogurt thing.
Oh wait, they have Chobani here though.
Chobani? I like this one. That one. Yeah, get one. Yeah. Yeah, Joe perfect. Chobani for beans. Aww. You're so healthy living. Hanap po ng chips, snack. Oh, Takis, baby. Don't forget my Takis. What is it? The wave.
They don't have waves.
Wala yung wave. Nakapa. Ah? Ano like barbecue? No barbecue, baby. Or that's it. Just only barbecue. Oh. That's ate? Birthday wishes here. Alright. Use your muscle, Juliana. Yeah. And then what's next? That's our hole. Not yet done. That's Juliana get the Arizona. Yeah. Oh, the pro. Oh, Antoinette, the bagel bites. Narito po tayo sa Smart and Final. Get paper towel. Grab this one. This one. Everyday low prices. That's the big boy Vincent right there. Huh? Grab one. Get the silver card.
Okay, 5 meters part round. Erica or Jasmine? It's okay.
Good? You pass? Alright. It means to say that we have money. Thank you, ma'am. Alright, let's go.
Pudo.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Yeah. You
Yeah,
like that
no.
one?
Nakarating na tayo rito sa Monterey.
Awesome. I like him to try the little the mushroom ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, the little mushrooms and the
Nabili na
chocolate
rin
chocolate
natin
ones.
sa Smart and Final plato, kutsara.
Thank you. You got water?
Yeah, I love the water. Love you.
Hey, can you get your water?
Yeah.
Right now, please. These guys are too fast. Give him 2.
Thank you.
Yeah, give him 2.
You rock.
Yeah, you take care of yourself.
You too.
Hey, don't lose hope. I've been there.
Oh, I don't use dope.
Yeah.
I'm too old for that now.
No, I've been there before. In the,
Please, baby. You know,
no, I've been there in the street 6 months in downtown.
Oh, bro, yeah.
You got this.
Sa muling pagkikita, paalam.